Good evening, everyone. I would like to open our workshop this evening with a statement regarding our work on healthier school start and end times. Our work began in late 2017 with a simple goal: to research and understand the connections between school start and end times and student health and wellness. As this work evolved, the Board of Education committed to a goal focused on developing recommendations regarding school start and end times. Over the past 2.5 years, we have reviewed and discussed research and information related to school start and end times in 30 Board of Education meetings. We've read over 700 emails on school start times from parents and community members. We've organized 2 community workshops, 2 Board of Ed public hearings, and we've listened to parent comments at 4 additional Town Council and Board of Finance public hearings during the budget process. Our work has been covered in over 32 local news articles, and we've listened to hundreds of public comments during our twice monthly meetings. I would like to acknowledge and thank our community for the incredibly thoughtful input that has helped lead us to where we are tonight. We are grateful for all the parents and the community members who have come forward and courageously shared their honest views and family experiences during our meetings through email or in conversation. Every viewpoint has helped to shape and inform our understanding of the desires and concerns of our school families. While there are many opinions on how best to move forward, these inputs have made our discussions richer and will make our ultimate decision in the plans that follow stronger. I am confident that we have a comprehensive understanding of the implications of each option, and this will strengthen our ability to plan forward. As a group of elected volunteers, this board, together with our administrators, has spent the last 14 months planning and pivoting to meet the needs of our students during COVID. The only promise we made for this uncertain school year was that we would remain steadfast and focused on supporting the academic needs and the social emotional well-being of our students. Delivering on this commitment required extraordinary efforts by our administration and every individual who works in our district. I believe we have proven that we are here for our students. Delivering, as a board, we all have or have had children in this district. We are also parents of athletes, early risers, late risers, and kids in high school, middle, and elementary school. We have lived and breathed the experiences and challenges so many have honestly shared with us over the years. Every member of this board cares deeply about our students and our school's future. It's why we are here and why we volunteer our time for this community. Contrary to more recent communications we have received, the members of this board are not heartless, negligent, or unfair, among other words that have been used. This has been a thorough, open, and transparent process. Incredible thought and work has gone into the process, and I believe we have the 3 best options before us. After a year-long pause due to COVID, we felt it was important to revisit the options with a post-pandemic mindset to be confident that we move ahead with our school's best option and include new families in our process. We have spent the past several weeks reviewing the updated information on 3 options, and this is the focus of our discussion tonight. It is difficult knowing that whatever decision we make, we will leave some in this community feeling disappointed and unhappy. So I ask that every parent consider this. Our decision is focused on improving the entire system and experience for our students K through 12. Every kindergartner will one day be a high school senior, and every senior was once a kindergartner. As members of the same community, we all walk a similar path through our schools, and we share in the joys, the challenges, and the pressures of raising our own individual unique children while being the best parents that we all can be. We empathize with all views following this decision, and we acknowledge that any of these options will come with adjustments to family routines and daily schedules. As we move forward with whichever option the board ultimately supports, I hope that our community comes together and supports one another around that decision and through the change. I hope that the same collective spirit that we can achieve great things through working together will help foster an atmosphere of civility, understanding, empathy, and compromise. As a community, we must not let this divide us. We have worked through unprecedented challenges with care, concern for all citizens, and the best of intentions. And we should expect the same for this process. Change can be hard. However, our unity has been our strength, and it will carry us forward, and we will continue to achieve excellence and success together.